here, we've done a song with the saxophonist and tuba. This is our first accordion song. Putting our faces on Mount Weird Al. And Kat's gonna start this song because I left my water in the basement when I got locked in the bathroom. Yep, see ya.
Perfect. Love it. This just means there's going to be a horrible entrance very soon. Just need a word. Louder?
Toilet.
Toilet. I have something to clean under there. Could it be extra pee? No, it's just pubic hair. I have something to clean under the toilet lid. Oh, no, it is not a whole piece of poop, it's a skid. Toilet. Toilet.
That's me.
Toilet.
Yes.
Toilet.
Hello.
Toilet.
That's me.
Ah, toilet. My friend, I summon thee.
I love drinking pee. I digest whatever comes out of you.
You.
Flush it down and it goes in my tummy. You feel a rumbling in your belly. I think yummy. Nom, 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 your ass.
In the bathroom, I mean.
Nom, 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 out your bladder.
Eat.
Yes.
Yes. I feed you. Oh.
All you can give me isn't enough.
Isn't enough.
You don't produce enough of the
Off
stuff.
of the stuff.
I'm going to die if I don't get more fun in between human thighs. Couldn't you invite some friends and have tortilla nights?
I'll invite them to a party.
Yes,
To my
yes.
house. Poop in the bathroom on the second floor or the bottom floor. I don't care. There's no poop bathroom. There are all poop bathrooms
Productions. And soon I will be a bigger toilet because I'm not just a toilet. No, it's a little bathroom of horror scenario.
Thank you.
I make back in time.